Atoms in pairs. Ah, joke. Apples, cars, and humans are made of atoms. Chemistry found out which atoms everything made of. Chemists found out. Chemists is how to say chemists. The chemists work hard to break down complicated mixtures of atoms into all the different types of atoms. When a substance could not be broken into anything simpler, they knew they had a pure substance with only one type of atom, called an element. Element. Chemists use electricity to break down the water into the elements hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen. The chemists then combined the hydrogen and oxygen to make the compound H2O, water. Compound, pound sign, another joke. Compounds are the atoms of two elements combined like H2O and CO2. Carbon dioxide. Compounds are the atoms of three elements combined, like copper sulfate. CuSO4, sulfate. Compounds are the atoms of two or more elements combined. Yes. A compound made of three elements combined is copper sulfate. That makes much more sense. Cool. Carbon is a solid. Solid atoms line up. Solid atoms are close. Solids are heavy. So the three carbon atoms, diagram has three carbon atoms at the bottom of the box. Write carbon under the correct diagram. Carbon. Write C in each carbon atom. Oxygen atoms go around in pairs. I want to say carbon. The carbon in your pencil lead is billions of carbon atoms, but we don't draw them all. Yes, we're going to draw a few. In there. Oxygen atoms go around in pairs written O2. The O2 molecules are light and spaced apart in air. Molecules. Write oxygen under the correct diagram. In pairs. Oxygen. Ox. O. When carbon reacts with oxygen to make carbon dioxide, every carbon atom is combined with two oxygen atoms. The compound formed by burning carbon chemicals is carbon dioxide. CO2. Write carbon dioxide under the correct diagram. Right, C in one atom of each CO2 molecules. Right, O in two atoms in each CO2 molecule. C, 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 O, 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 O. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that was good. Keeping things the same is called conservation. The molecule. The conservation of mass means that there are the same number of each type of atom after the reaction as before. In these diagrams, 3 carbon atoms combine with 6 oxygen atoms to make 3 carbon dioxide molecules. 3 carbon dioxide molecules have 3 carbons and 6 oxygens. The number of carbon atoms and oxygen atoms does not change. Not changes is called conservation. Oxygen atoms join up in pairs to make O2 molecules. Boxes, that's why it's atoms in pairs, that's why the original joke, pairs. Boxes A, B and C show the reaction 3C plus 3O2 goes to 3CO2. Diagrams. This is simplified by dividing everything by 3. The reaction is written C plus O2 goes to CO2. When you burn charcoal at a barbecue, you react 1 trillion carbon atoms, or more, with 1 trillion oxygen, with 2 trillion oxygen molecules. No, that's correct. Don't change that. To make 1 trillion carbon dioxide molecules. Cool. A substance that cannot be broken down into anything simpler is called an element. Substances made of different elements reacted are called compounds. Draw 4 pairs of hydrogen atoms, 4H2, in box D. Oh, 4 hydrogen molecules. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Gases all over the place, filling the box. Hydrogen is a gas element. 2 atoms make the molecule H2. Draw 2 pairs of oxygen atoms, O2. O, 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 O. Okay. In box E. Only oxygen is an element, is a gas element. Yeah, some things are gases, some things are liquid, some things are solid. Actually, the only liquids at room temperature that are elements are bromine and mercury. But you know, hey. Draw 2 water molecules, okay, an O and 2 H's, an O and 2 H's. Oh, hold on. No. 4. Silly me. Conservation, and now it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. HO looks like Mickey Mouse. It looks like Mickey Mouse's head. When made this way, atoms are a gas called steam. Water atoms. Okay. Write the symbol equation under the boxes D, E and F and check your answer with the Googles. Well, symbol equation. So C plus, oh no, H, how many? H24 plus 2O2 goes to 4H2O. Cool. Which gets simplified by dividing by 2. All done. I got the... Yes, yeah, it works. Cool. Great. Above. Because there's no room underneath. Cool. Press my circle picture to get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe. Bye!